and the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, starting the class with LG, right? We are talking about the third chapter, that is Plant Kingdom, and in the last class, what we have discussed was we have talked about certain general informations about the Plant Kingdom, right? Some basic points, like we have also discussed certain things called as classification, types of classification, taxonomy, types of taxonomy, etc., etc. And we have started with the first group of plants, that is LG, which is called as the most primitive group of plants, right? According to Whitaker's five kingdom classification, all the organisms in the world are divided into five kingdoms, and the five kingdoms are, we have already studied about Protista, Monera, and now we are talking about plant kingdom. Plant kingdom of key channels, all the plants are divided into five categories, that is algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. And out of that, algae is supposed to be the primitive group, and angiosperms obviously the most advanced group, right? In this chapter, what we will be discussing is we'll be talking about the four groups of plants in details, that is algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms. What about the angiosperms then? The portion of the angiosperms that we have to read it, it's more precisely given in your class 12 portion, right? So class 12 is an important lesson as a sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So we are going to talk about some of the angiospermic information in that chapter and some of the information in the next chapter, that is morphology of flowering plants. Okay, talking about algae, last class of যিখিনি কৰিছো তাৰ পৰা এটা continuation হৈ যাব ঠিক আছে next as we have done in the last class, we have we have not written everything that I write. You don't write it down because you have already got the PDF, right? So what you do is you go through the PDF, and there are certain points which are not there in the PDF. So সেইকেইটা points মই লিখি দিম ঠিক আছে so সেইখিনি points তোমালোকে এখন বহীত ল'বা, and the points that are not there in the PDF, just note it, note it down. Next is, how will you write the notes, no? Notes লিখাৰ সময়ত what you do is PDF খনৰ পৰা লিখিবাই, তাৰ ওপৰত ভিডিও লেকচাৰ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা হয়, ভিডিও লেকচাৰটো চাবা, আৰু যদি কিবা পইণ্টছ থাকে so তাৰ againstত লিখি যাবা. লাষ্ট ক্লাছৰ ভিডিও লেকচাৰটো চাইছা নাই? লেকচাৰ 1, part 1 and part 2. The first question is whether did you get it? Obviously, I think you all have got that, na? Share কৰিছে তো? Lecture 1, part 1.
Yes, ma'am.
চাইছা নে নাই?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I will request. Okay, so I request students to go through the video lectures, okay? Because biological classification, okay, everything we used to go live and everything we used to write it down. So there was no point of looking at the videos again, right? But since in this chapter we are going through the PDF first, right? So PDF you have to buzai dim, you have to see the lecture also. Because there might be certain points which are there in the lecture and not there in the PDF, right? Or maybe PDF or the lecture night. So it is good to this the class. So at a time will I apply he lecture to ever just go through koriba. Is the point clear? Last class also I passed, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please read. And okay, so today's topic continue from the portion that we have stopped, right? So algae kotha koi asilu. So we'll start it. Life cycle in algae. Life cycle in algae. At a few points we have already discussed. What we said is 3 types of life cycle could be seen in this class. Ki asile? Haplontic, diplontic, aro haplodiplotic. So we are going to write about it. Ekhini also PDF of nice, so you need to write it down. Some of the points we have already discussed. So if algae or if an organism undergoes haplontic life cycle, then plant body to kenekwa hobo?
Haplontic and
Haploid. Yeah, it will be haploid. Haplontic life cycle is also called this. Points agote likhisu. And talking about examples, most of the green algae undergoes haploid life cycle. And if you talk about green algae, get one specific examples. Chlamydomonas, Ulotrix, etc. Right? Talking about the diagram. So plant body is haploid. I think in the last class, we have talked about two words that is called as gametophyte and sporophyte. Plant kingdom যেটা পড়িম ন এই দুটা আমি কয়ে থাকিব লাগিব gametophyte, the plant body is a gametophyte, or the plant body is a sporophyte, or the plant body is the plant is a thallophyte. Right? So we need to understand the meaning of a gametophyte and a sporophyte, and the easiest way to remember or understand is if the plant body has n number of or n set of chromosomes or a single set of chromosomes, তাহতক আমি কি বুলি কম gametophyte. যদি সেলটোত দুটা set of chromosome আছে বা cells বিলাক যদি twice n হয় তেতিয়াহলে তাহাতক আমি কি বুলি কম sporophyte. A plant body with n number of chromosomes, n number of chromosomes will not be correct. Haploid state will be called as a gametophyte. A plant body with a diploid state, that would be called as a sporophyte. So that is what we are talking about, the first one that is called as haplontic life cycle, and we know that the algae needs to be a haploid. So jar haploid cells hey plant body to kami ki boli kom gametophyte. So that's the reason why I am writing the word gametophyte here. Is the point clear? বুজিছানে?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is rough diagram about rocket. Please ask. So now we are talking about the diplontic life cycle, and diplontic life cycle kune dekhabo, the plant that is diploid, right? Diploid ami keneke denote koru by twice n, right? We write twice n in the cell. So the cell, if it's twice n, it's called as diploid. And as I said, choosing between the words gametophyte and sporophyte, this time the plant body would be called as what? Gametophyte boli kom, the sporophyte boli kom in this case.
Sporophyte.
It will be called as sporophyte. Very good.
मैम हेपेलिटी लिखते मैम इम्पेलर डिप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल मैम sarcasm पिस्ता
Right side.
Fucus. F-U-C-U-S. This part is visible, not visible. Both one.
Not visible.
It's not visible, right? Okay, just a minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
So as we have already discussed, three types of life cycles could be seen: diplontic, diplontic, or haplodiplontic or diplodiplontic. Haplodic or diplotic concept to clear হয়েছে না? Everyone,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
right? The plant body is, or the plant body has cells with n number of chromosomes, that is haploid, and they will undergo haplodic. আৰু যদি অকল twice n বা cells বিলাকৰ twice n chromosomes দেখা পাওঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে the plant body is called a sporophyte and it will undergo diplotic life cycle. But we have certain algae where we see both the phases, right? Gametophyte দেখা পাওঁ, sporophytic phase দেখা পাওঁ. যদি দুইটা দেখা পাওঁ in the same life cycle, then it will be called as haplodiplotic life cycle. You see the haploid phase, you see the diploid phase also. Now you might ask me a question. In case of haplodic or diplotic, we also saw a certain phase that was, if you are talking about haplodic, আমি কি দেখেছিল? Zygote to দেখেছিল? Zygote is a diplotic or diploid stage. Similarly, if you are talking about the diplotic life cycle, plant body to গোটেই diploid হয়, কিন্তু যোনবিলাক gametes produce কৰে সেইবিলাক haploid হয়, right? In those two life cycles also, we could see both the phases, but in this also we can see both the phases. But what is the difference? Haplodic phase or diploid phase is very short-lived. And similarly, in case of diplotic life cycle, the haploid phase is very short-lived. আৰু ইমান কম সময় থাকে, সেইকাৰণে গোটেই cycleটোক আমি either haplodic বুলি কওঁ নহলে diplotic বুলি কওঁ. Longer phase কোন থাকে? Based on that also we give the name. But in this case, no, we see both the presence of both the phases almost equal duration, right? বহুত সময়লৈকে distinct হৈ বহুত সময়লৈকে থাকে, and so we are using what's called as haplodiplotic life cycle. Next is haplodiplotic life cycle could be of two types: isomorphic haplodiplotic or heteromorphic haplodiplotic. ইয়াতে difference to কি? So লিখাত two points আমি লিখিম. Isomorphic, when we talk about the word iso, we understand that we are talking about something that is similar, no? Isomorphic, morphologically similar. Heteromorphic, morphologically different. So এনেকুৱা এটা algae plant body কথা কম য'ত নেকি sporophyte and the gametophyte, if both the phases look alike morphologically, তেতিয়াহ'লে তাহাঁতক আমি কি বুলি কম? Isomorphic. যদি সেই algae-টোৰ sporophyte আৰু gametophyte stage-টো দুইটা দেখাত বেলেগ বেলেগ, morphologically বেলেগ বেলেগ হয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে তাক আমি কি বুলি কম? Heteromorphic. Is the two word understood? Haplodiploidic life cycle কাৰ থাকিব? Those algae who will show the sporophytic phase and the gametophytic phase for a longer duration, right? Isomorphic haplodiploidic means what? The gametophytic or the gametophyte or the gamete bearing plant and the sporophytic phase, both the phase would be same morphologically. Iso would be different hetero. That is one explanation. Second explanation is isomorphic haplodiploidic or heteromorphic haplodiploidic at a point of difference. In case of isomorphic, the fusing gametes are formed from the same thallus. Adult plantopride দুইটা gamete producer, male gamete, female gamete. Since we are talking about algae, we know that obviously they will undergo sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction হ'ব লাগিলে gametes to লাগিবই. So adult plantor বা এটা plant body পৰা যদি দুইটা gamete আহি পেলাই, we see diplontic and haplontic phases. এটা তাক আমি কি কম? Isomorphic. আৰু যদি দুডাল বেলেগ plant, you have the male plant, you have the female plant, দুটা বেলেগ বেলেগ plantor পৰা দুটা gamete আহি পেলাই fuse কৰিছে, and then they are continuing the life cycle, then that will be called as a heteromorphic. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So isomorphic of example likha ulva, ULVA, আৰু এটা cladophora, right? আৰু এটা example লিখিব পাৰে ectocarpus, right? Next point, both the sporophyte, is this part of the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So both the sporophyte and the gametophyte are morphologically similar. Similar, just the opposite in case of heteromorphic. Example, Laminaria, Urospora, etc. In this case, the gametophyte and the sporophyte are morphologically different. আৰু এটা লিখিব পাৰা fusing gametes.
Ma'am, itu Urospora হয় নেকি? URO.
Yes. Urospora, UROSPORA. So isomorphic of last point likhiba, fusing gametes are from the same plant, and heteromorphic of fusing gametes are from two different plants. Etu part musibo parim ne? Isomorphic, is it over?
No, ma'am.
Okay, press down.
Ma'am,
Yeah, please say.
isomorphic or luster point of visible now. Ma'am, isomorphic or luster point of visible now.
Visible হোৱা নাই? লিখি লোৱাচোন, fusing gametes are from the same plant. Fusing gametes are from the same plant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
And here we have to draw the diagrams. Isomorphic haplodiploidy life cycle. Right? As we said, we are talking about isomorphic haplodiploidy life cycle. So yate ki again haploids and diploids, both of them would be present. Right? Next point was morphologically the gametophyte and the sporophyte look similar. Third point was both the fusing gametes could be from the same plant. So yate signifies how we have seen the main plant body as a gametophyte, and since it's a gametophyte, so obviously N. তাহার পর কি develop করবো? Male gamete, female gamete, they will fuse and will produce the sporophytic phase, that is the zygote. Zygote a plant form করিব by the process of mitosis, and that will be called as a sporophyte. This sporophyte will have spore bearing organs, that is called as sporangium. আর sporangium কি produce করিব? Spores বিলাক form করিব, and those spores will be called as a meiospores. Sporangium is a twice end structure. This twice end structure will undergo meiosis, and ultimately they will form spores, and the spores will be always be called as a meiospores. We know when we are talking about meiosis, what is the number of spores that, or what is the number of daughter cells that a plant or a cell produce? It's always 4, right? I think you remember cell division, mitosis, and meiosis, right? If you're talking about mitosis, we know one cell will divide and form 2 cells. If you're talking about meiosis, one cell will divide and form 4 cells, right? So sporangium में की form करो, by the process of meiosis will produce meiospores, and meiospores से की form करो gametophyte. In this phase, it is also called as haplodiploidic because we see 2 distinct phases. So a dotted line tour right? So this upper portion would be called as the, or is the haploid phase. Yes or no? গোটেইবিলাক ষ্টেজত কি আছে চোৱা, gametophyte n, male gamete n, female gamete n, meiospores n. So যিমানবোৰ n আছে গোটেইখিনিক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Haploid phase. আৰু যোনখিনি diploid আছে starting from the zygote to the sporangium, this represents the diploid phase. Since both of the phases are present, this type of a life cycle is called as the haplodiploidic life cycle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this part of the board visible? Right side there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's not visible. Okay. Is this over?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Naima? I have to wait. Over hole muk koba ha. Is it over now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we have heteromorphic. In case of algae, since we are talking about algae, no, main plant body dal ki hobo gametophyte. In case of bryophytes, main plant body dal ki hobo gametophyte. But from pteridophytes onwards, the plant body would be a sporophyte. This is something that you need to remember. Out of the 5 groups of plants, no, gametophyte plant body, but gametophytic plant body kar thake, jare cellot n number of chromosomes thakibo, a single set of chromosomes thakibo. That would be called as a gametophyte. So algae being a very primitive plant, tahator normal condition, but normally they are all gametophytic except brown algae that are diplontic. So since the main plant body is a haploid, so we'll be talking about it as gametophyte. So while you are writing it down, বুজি পাইছানে নাই বস্তুটো চাবা হা। হেডিং কি কৰিবা Heteromorphic haplodiplontic life cycle. Any questions from this part? Life cycle বস্তুটো clear হৈছে নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please interact in the class. It is not like this that only 2 or 3 students will speak up. You have to ask, no, whether you have understood or you do not. At least interact, no. নহলে if this is the scenario, I have to take all the names and then pinpoint, no, এটা নাম কৈ কৈ তোমালোকক মাতিব লাগিব. That will be very awkward. So, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I think I can talk about.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the next thing that we are going to discuss is classification of algae. So, PDF খন ওলাব পাৰে তোমালোকে এতিয়া. Okay, talking about classification of algae, in the last class, we have talked about the comparison chart. If I think you all remember, right? Chlorophyce, rhodophyce, or pheophyce, I compare kori cell wall, flagella, pigments, reserve food, etc. chart korisilo. So we are talking about the 3 different groups, and if I ask you, last class we had already start korisilo, on what basis is algae classified? Classified into kiman? Into 3 groups to be precise, no? Into on what basis? What is the answer? Algae kiman types are? আমি চাৰ্টখন মতে যাম. It's not that there are only 3 types of algae. আৰু আছে xanthophyce বুলিও আছে, but that is not included in your course. So from the information that is given in your NCERT, we will be talking about 3 types of algae. এই গোটেইটা algae 3 types of classify কৰিছে on the basis of what? কি চাই পেলাই classify কৰিছে?
Presence of different pigment.
Very good. It's always on the basis of pigments. Okay. Kunkale koba de. We have to finish the course also. Term class ase no? Kiman chapters ase. Okay. So if you know the answer, please say. If I wait, ako homoy to area chapter no. Okay. So classification of algae on the basis of pigments. Algae has been classified in 3 categories, and what are they? We know the green algae. On the basis of এইবিলাক নিলিখো আৰু হা যেহেতু PDF ত লিখাই আছে green algae, that is chlorophyce. Then we have brown algae, that is pheophyce, and then we have red algae, that is rhodophyce, right? Talking about these different groups of algae, they are of different colors because of a specific type of pigment which is found in large amount in their body. Talking about the green algae, obviously the green pigment, that is the chlorophyll. So what's the basic asset? That does not mean it has only chlorophyll. It has many other pigments also, but the amount of chlorophyll is more. Similarly, the exact explanation in case of pheophyce and rhodophyce. Pheophyce, phycoxanthin or the brown pigment. A red algae phycoerythrin or the red pigment as compared to the other pigments, the quantity is more and so they appear red. Talking about green algae, see from the PDF. So they are called as they are called as the most advanced algae. Out of this, so what's the advanced kuntu? right? Now the question is, why are they called as advanced algae? Because they show certain similarities with the higher groups. Is the point clear? Higher plants or বহুত similarities আছে আৰু সেইকাৰণে green algae advanced বুলি কৈছে. Now, what are the points of similarities? This is something that I am going to write in the board, right? So কিন্তু সেইটো বস্তু PDF ত নাই. According to the PDF, the first point is they are the most advanced algae. They are considered as the ancestors of higher plants. পাইছানে line টো?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ancestors of higher plants means that they should have certain similarities also, right? So tar side ote common information likhibo lagibo that is not given in your PDF, right? So either take out a copy or do something. Ekta likha arambo korisa niki? Have you started
Yes,
writing
ma'am.
this portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, then what you do is, since you have already written it down, there are certain points that are not there in the PDF, right? We have to know it extra. Loose sheet loba, loose sheet lobলে that attach কৰি দিবা। ঠিক আছে? খালি point বিলাক ভালকে mark কৰিবা। Ancestors of higher plants or side এটা point লিখিব লাগিব। Or বেলেগকেও লিখিব পাৰা। Right? So the points that are not there in the PDF, এখন extra sheet of লিখি লবা। So the first point that you'll write is this is the information about green algae day. Specifically, I mean green algae to discuss kori aso. Advanced বুলি কৈছে, they have similarities with higher plants. What are the similarities? We are writing it down.
Ma'am,
Right? So we
second point would have the same type of chlorophyll.
have the same type of chlorophyll bracketed A or B. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, and they have carotenoids also. What is a carotenoid? A photosynthetic pigment. And starch is the common stored carbohydrates. মানে photosynthesis কাৰণে কি form কৰে? Starch form কৰে. So higher plants are starch present, or in case of algae also you see starch, and so we say that it is from algae that the higher plants have evolved. Evolution se hoise, ami je already, I think we have already talked about this, no? As far as the placement is concerned, after algae we see the bryophytes, and similarly we see the pteridophytes and so on. Why is such a type of placement done? Because of the fact that these groups show similarities with the previous group, no? Algae or common kiba hole similarities ase. So that leads us to conclude that bryophytes have evolved from algae. So ultimately, higher plants have some basic characteristics, एकदम primitive plant or logot similar. So we conclude that the higher plants and algae have many points in similar. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third point, come to the PDF. They are cosmopolitan in nature. Cosmopolitan means they are almost found everywhere, তাতে এটা point লিখিব লাগিব and majority of them are fresh water. Fresh যেটা নিলিখিলেও হ'ব চাৰ্টখনতটো আমি already compare কৰিছোৱে ন last classত if you remember fresh water is something that we habitator যোনটো column আছিল তাতে আমি fresh water লিখিছিলো নাই
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right? So I don't think we need to repeat. So we know that green algae, in case of green algae, majority of them are fresh water. Okay. Next, according to the PDF, तुमालके forms लिखिसा no?
Yes, ma'am.
Doesn't
Forms
matter.
of green algae.
Okay. Forms of green algae, we have certain unicellular, we have certain colonial and filamentous forms, right? So yare examples bila we need to write and we need to read also. Question last class of already koise. Give an example of a motile unicellular green algae. Give an example of a non-motile unicellular green algae, etc., etc. Right? So we see unicellular forms, we see colonial forms, and we see we see filamentous forms, and we see multicellular forms also. When we are talking about unicellular forms of algae, we need to specifically remember one example, that is Acetabularia. Acetabularia diagram to most probably next page of dia ase. Right? Dekha paisa ne? It is also called as the umbrella plant, and this is called as the largest unicellular plant. We know algae unicellular forms to ase, multicellular forms to ase. Largest unicellular plant, what is the name? It is Acetabularia, and it is also called as the umbrella plant. How does the plant look like? It is already given in the diagram. You see the diagram. One point about the diagram is uniqueness about the placement of the nucleus. Diagram to dekhisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So a gute plant, no doubt it looks like a huge structure, but it was made up of one cell. And if it is made up of one cell, so obviously it will have a nucleus. So nucleus to quote us at the base. Right? So this is something that you need to remember. So it has a cap-like structure, and since the cap looks like an umbrella, so it is called as an umbrella plant. Next. Talking about colonial, again, Volvox and Hydrodictyon. Classification. When we are talking about colonial, we see a word that is called as synovium. Paisa no synovium word too?
Yes, ma'am.
PDF of colonial part 2, last line too. Fixed colony with fixed number of cells is called as synovium. Now, what we understand by that line? Colony of fixed number of cells mane ki? Okay. I think in the last class, আমি colonial algae বা nostoc diagram এটা আঁকিছিলো ন? Yes, sorry, nostoc Volvox. Colonial mane ki? All these algae will remain in a group. Right? So, ihote jodi eneke group kori pelai thake, so this would be considered as a colony, right? And when we are talking about colony, we know that the members have division of labor. Means what? They are totally independent, but still then they stay in a group. Right? Enekwa nohoy je fusion hoi pelai multicellular forms form korise. Unicellular forms stay in a group, that forms a colony. And whenever we talk about a colony, protective colony jodi eketa number of members thake, that is what is called as synovium. If you see in this diagram, how many of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is it? Atta ke tahate eta group form kore, and then they form a one colony, that is called as synovium. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? The next time they will divide, if each and we know that they are independent, right? Independent unicellular organisms. After reproduction, right? Tahate jeta reproduce koribo, baby cells will also remain in the fixed pattern. So protected next to form koribo, tahate 8 ba 10, not necessarily 8. I am not giving the number to be precise, right? Just to know that parent cell jodi 8 group of thake, tetale baby cell 8 group of thakibo. And that is what is called as having a fixed number of cells in a colony, and the word that we use is called as synovium. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, come to multicellular forms. Multicellular. Most of the green algae are multicellular and filamentous. Ulothrix, Phytogyra. Examples very important. Multicellular thelloid and multicellular filamentous. So, algae, unicellular, multicellular, and colonial. Unicellular, we understood one cell. Colonial, unicellular algae in a group, colonial. And we are talking about multicellular. We understand that the body has many cells. Multicellular divided into two types. One is called as filamentous and the other is called as thallus. Multicellular filamentous, multicellular thallus. Difference key. If the cells are arranged in the form of filament, long structured, they arrange with a all. They look like a thread that is called as multicellular filamentous. If they have or if they don't have a specific shape, no, right? Flat kata. You don't have a specific answers for that. That is what is called as a thallus type. It looks like a thallus structure. It doesn't have a prostate, definite prostate erect parts not again. In filamentous it will be a long thread-like structure. Defined body, the undefined body. Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is we have examples of multicellular thelloid or as was an example we have ulva. Ulva is also called as C letters, right? So tar against of side of নহয়, but তোমালোকে যোনটো extra sheet লৈছা তাতে লিখিবা point number 2 বুলি diagrams বুলি লিখিবা. Rough diagram de ekdom birat bhal ke aki na thakbe. Just to have an idea of how does ulva look like. Salad part se ami chintu lettuce khao. Eto dekhisa na lettuce or some say it as lettuce, some say it as lettuce, whatever the salad leaf. Dekhisa na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? It looks something like this. One that green color. Right? So this ulva also has a structure like this, and so it is called as celiac. Right? And this part with which it attaches with the substratum, kobatto pani tolot thake jihetu kobatto lagi thakibo lagibo no. So juntur part ere lagi thake, that is called as a holdfast. Right? So this is the and this holdfast is a non-green structure. Baki bilak so green, ekini non-green. Next, we have another example of Ulothrix, no? Ulothrix of ki ase multicellular filamentous. So obviously it will be filament-like. Rough diagram akiba, huh? a spiral S-type into diagram. This is the spiral chloroplast, and in the chloroplast, you see certain dots. These are called as pyrenoids. Is it over? Only?
অকমান বাকি আছে
Fast. Or maybe you take a screenshot. Actually, this is the reason why I said that you need to go through the video lecture also. Right? So that you can just write it down or draw it down. There's no point of wasting the live class time. Okay, so from here we have an idea. Actually, what we are discussing is we are talking about green algae. Green algae, most advanced ancestors of higher plants, talking about the different forms we see: unicellular, multicellular, filamentous, multicellular cells, and we also see colonial forms. Examples very important, right? Next, come to the next page of your PDF. Talking about the pigments, reserve food, flagella, etc. about green algae. ব্র্যাকেটত কি লিখা আছে চোৱাচোন চাৰ্ট বুলি লিখা আছে can you see
Yes, ma'am.
yes
page
ma'am
pigments reserve food flagella and in the bracket you have the word called as chart right so
Yes,
since we
sir.
have already written it you have to right read it from that chart itself right pigments ki ase chlorophyll A ase chlorophyll B ase reserve food of ki asile starch asile right flagella also we have discussed. Next, come to points fully likha ase no?
yes ma'am
Points of number 1 ki likha ase pyrenoid. Tar side of a likhi thoi diya chloroplast generally contains pyrenoid. Right? So when we are talking about algae or green algae, we see the chloroplast because they are photosynthetic. Photosynthesis what koribo chloroplast eta structure thake eta organic that is called as a pyrenoid, right? And what is the function of the pyrenoid? It is a stored or it is used to store certain substances, right? So stored organically but store koribole use kore. Talking about the number of pyrenoids, it varies from from algae to algae. For example, যদি আমি Chlamydomonas কথা কওঁ তাত মাত্ৰ এটা pyrenoid আছে ক'ত আছে in the chloroplast. If you are talking about Spirogyra in the spiral chloroplast বহুতটা pyrenoids আছে. So what we can conclude that in the chloroplast of algae we see a structure that is called as a pyrenoid whose number is it can be 1 2 or more than 2 right question kiya hai what is a pyrenoid that they are storage bodies and what do they store so last line to that is important pyrenoid contains proteins and also starch right so they are protein storing or starch storing proteins o thake starch o thake is the point clear pyrenoid or question is pyrenoid without ki thake proteins and also starch and there is a question that was given like this pyrenoids contain starch and also proteins proteins and also starch you have to remember proteins and also starch clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay next is since we are talking about chloroplast next part tumalkor ki ase economic importance of green algae ase no okay let's talk about economic importance of green algae there are certain algae that is used as food if you're talking about certain type of red algae brown algae or green algae kisuman algae ami food hisabe khao and the most common example that we remember is obviously chlorella an example diye ase chlorella tar side ot aru duta likhi loason food hisabe jod dia ase obviously the most important is chlorella and question has already asked about chlorella but apart from chlorella Another example, odium and ulva. Chlorella, odium and ulva. Right? Next, talking about chlorella, আৰু এটা কি মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব? Space algae, right? Space algae বুলি কিহৰ কাৰণে কৈছে? Because that is eaten as a food by the astronauts. It is and also obviously যিহেতু photosynthesis কৰিব তো oxygen supply কৰিব. Next is antibiotics, chlorelin obtained from chlorella. The name of the antibiotic is very important. Next is parasitic algae. Parasitic algae point আমি last class কৰিছো ন? Parasitic green algae আৰু parasitic red algae. কৰিছিলো নাই? We talked about the rust disease of tea.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Next, in the extra sheet, বনাইছে নে extra sheet এখন green algae?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So first was we have written 1 point, second was the diagram, third are the extra likha. And this is very important. When we talk about algae, we always have to talk about shapes of chloroplast. Different algae have different morphologically different chloroplasts, right? So tarport question ahead. Spirogyra into chloroplast asset that is called as spiral chloroplast. So the question that is asked is spiral chloroplast is a characteristic of. You have to remember that we are talking about Spirogyra.
Zygnema হয় নেকি? Any?
Zygnema. Right? So different types of chloroplasts and different types of algae. And what we said is, when we are talking about green algae are said to be ancestors of higher plants. Our green algae, the best example of chlorella. So chlorella, especially if you're talking about these green algae, no? So what's the advanced? We'll be talking about chlorella. Chlorella, they will have the green algae, but they will have the chloroplast that is similar with the morphological shape of that is found in case of higher plants. Higher plants of chloroplast, it is always this shape, and so it is called a discoid. So discoid chloroplast chlorella. If you're talking about spiral, so eta cell diagram side so this is what is called a spiral. Pyrenoids. Star shaped, obviously we understand what is a star shaped chloroplast. This one. Reticulators, we are talking about a cell like this. Reticulate mane ki net like. Right, this is net like. Cup shaped chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas, if you are drawing a diagram like this, chlamydomonas. This one. Cup shaped chloroplast. Right? Garden shape, it's a horseshoe shape. So in this case, we have a cell like this. So we will see chloroplast like this. Horseshoe shape. Or discoid, we understand it is disc shape. If it's over, please say.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So এইটো important লিখি থবা দেই এইটোৰ ওপৰত question আহিছে generally question has been asked about number 1 number 2 number 3 number 4 yes এই গোটেইকেইটা important shapes of chloroplast in algae এনেকে এটা board's point of view পৰা question আহে and the last point about green algae life cycles to আমি already display no that's all so this was all
Yes,
about green algae so algae divided into 3 types green brown and red green algae যোনখিনি important points আছিল আমি we have already discussed now we have to talk about brown algae jo please look into the pdf when we are talking about brown algae they are called as seaweeds right what is important brown algae বুলি কলে marine word to important multicellular word to important right so তোমালোকৰ যোনটো pdf ত আছে seaweeds underline কৰা right next important word is marine next is multicellular right generally no unicellular forms are present next is tate likhisan nai kobo noru they have a diplontic life cycle right next আকৌ এখন sheetত কি কৰিবা এবাৰ brown algae বুলি লিখা the extra points that are not there in the pdf points of number 1 likhiba something about their okay before writing no brown algae point of view pra important egita words to important next is brown algae economic importance next how the laminaria eta diagram dia ase diagram to ami sabo laibo and next something called as phycocolloids right what is important is brown algae into cell wall hoy cell wall so obviously since it's an algae it will have cellulose apart from cellulose it will have another colloid like chemical substance that is called as a phycocolloid phycocolloid is present in brown algae it is also present in red algae what is the function it has economic importance and plus it also gives extra protection to the cell so phycocolloids bilake algae ko protect kore tamane algae karneo beneficial and human beings are kind of beneficial because with the help of that chemical component ami beleg bostu banabole ami use koru for example it is used as a thickening agent in case of ice cream banao jelly jams banao ebilakot thickening agent hisabe ami sei phycocolloids bilak use koru some of them are used for the manufacture of soaps shoe polish nail polish etc so economic importance was he karneo ami poribo libo it gives the extra protection to the cell wall etu karneo ami poribo next is talking about phycocolloid the question that is asked is identify the phycocolloid of brown algae identify the phycocolloid of red algae out of this you need to remember phycocolloid duta birat important out of all the names eta hol alginic acid aru eta hol agar agar alginic acid brown algae agar obtained from red algae out of this alginic acid or bahut functions ase agar kuna loge you have to remember tissue culture especially culture medium we use it as a nutritive substance right so phycocolloids point hindi ami porhim next pdf or junkin dia ase let's go to that first no unicellular forms are present largest brown algae macrocystis out of all the 3 algae now plant body car sobotse damor it is always the brown algae right the vegetative cell has cellulose in the cell wall which is covered by a mucilaginous sheath so eta cell thakibo cell to obviously cellulose thakibo cell wall aru tar pore ekhon mucilaginous sheath ase and that mucilaginous sheath is generally made up of the phycocolloid moi je koi asilo cell wall or phycocolloid thakibo আৰু brown algae কি থাকিব alginic acid so cell wall এটা থাকিব এই cell wall কি থাকিব cellulose থাকিব and apart from cellulose they will have algin also. Next is কি দিছে the thallus of brown algae is divided into 3 parts সেইটো portion আমি অলপ পিছত আহিম extra point হিচাপে তোমালোকে লিখা in case of brown algae the body of brown algae shows variation. It is whole ki lower forms or higher forms?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Brown algae বুলি heading কৰি এটা point লিখিবা দেই So free floating forms বিলাকে shipping industry বিৰাট problem কৰে right means what since they are free floating ships বিলাক যেতিয়া যায় তাহাঁতৰ তাত লাগি যায় and they try to reduce the movement of the ship right লাগি দিগদাৰি কৰে so they are considered as the menace to the shipping industry. আৰু এটা point আছে একেবাৰে লিখিয়ে লওঁ so brown algae are called as kelps so this another word this is very important right one example of a kelp is necrocystis which is supposed to be the largest brown algae. Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come to the PDF. If you're talking about the body of the brown algae, how does it look like? In the PDF at the diagram, it is divided into 3 parts, that is lamina, stipe, and holdfast. So plant body to common leaf-like structure dekha pao, common root-like structure, common stalk-like structure also we see, right? As we have already mentioned, no, normally algae are called as thallophytes because we do not see stems, leaves, and roots, right? But we see lamina or leaf-like structure in case of brown algae, right? So lamina ki hoy, it bracket only has a frond. I think the diagram is understood. The leaf-like portion is called as stalk. Next is you have the stalk-like portion that is called as stipe. Stipe of what is important is they are elongated tubes and they are called as trumpet hyphae. So what is trumpet hyphae to monotrachy? Question I had trumpet hyphae code 5, right? And they are used for the conduction purpose and they are considered as analogous to phloem in higher plants. Higher plants of conduction or food conduction of karne kune help kore. We have talked about xylem and phloem, so we understand conduction of food or translocation of food is always by or through phloem. So in case of lower plants, algae bilakot to vascular bundles nathake. So conduction, food transport kune kore, the stipe or the trumpet hyphae. So they are considered as analogous to phloem. Is the point understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And next we have that organ or that area through which they remain attached with the substratum, that is called as the holdfast. One important thing about the holdfast is chlorophyll is always absent in a holdfast, right? Next is talking about the next page, no? Examples kisuman diya ase, examples ami porim, fucus, dictyota, ectocarpus, etc. Informations about the cell wall, stored food, pigments, again from the chart. Stored food or weird question ahe, laminaria and mannitol. Editor for weird question ahe, we have to learn. Next is the paragraph about phycocolloids. As I said, certain extra chemical components in the cell wall, right? What is the name of the phycocolloid of brown algae? Very, very important. So fucinic acid, alginic acid, and fusidin. Out of this, alginic acid about question ahe se. Phycocolloids protect the brown algae. We have already explained. They are used as thickening agents, right? We'd like to follow. Next page. Question hai, alginic acid is obtained from. It is obtained from laminaria, fucus, microcystis, etc. and it is used for the manufacture of soap, polish, cream, plastics, etc. Right? So as we have discussed, importance was it. So আমি phycocolloids এর উপর কি পড়ি? Phycocolloids, characteristic of brown algae and red algae. Which one is for brown algae? Which one is for red algae? Hey, নাম গিটা আমার we need to remember. Next, we have certain extra points. Life cycle gita পঢ়িম. Question ahe, ectocarpus or life cycle কেনেকুৱা, right? Next, we have in case of fucus, what is the life cycle? So কি কৰিবা এখন কাগজ লৈ পেলাই যিমান বিলাক examples পাই জানো against life cycle লিখি যাবা algae portion of life cycle of question বহুত আহে even from entrance point of view this is a very commonly asked question the type of life cycle seen in case of ectocarpus the type of life cycle seen in case of fucus the type of life cycle seen in case of chlorella so life cycle wise examples বিলাক divide কৰি এখন chart বনাই দিবা next another very important point about brown algae, one about a specific example is sargassum. Sargassum is also called as gulfweed and it is present in a part of the ocean that is what is called as the Sargasso Sea. At a water body, iman besike pai, the sea has been named after the algae that is called as Sargasso Sea. Laminaria is also called as kelps or devil apron, and obviously the economic importance we have written. So this is all about brown algae. Green algae, I mean, important point discuss brown algae. Now, what is left behind is red algae. Now, before discussing about red algae and blue-green algae have many things in similar, right? Blue-green algae is something that we have already studied. One thing about blue-green, certain things about blue-green algae. First, blue-green algae, motile and non-motile. Non-motile. So, red algae is also non-motile. Next, Godikos phenomenon, if you remember. মনত আছে নে Godikos phenomenon? According to the depth of water body in which they are present, they can keep changing their color. No? So, ওপৰত থাকাখিনি বেলেগ color, তলত থাকাখিনি বেলেগ color, একদম deep under the water যোনখিনি blue green algae থাকে, they are of different color and similarly exact affiliation for red algae also. So, Godikos phenomenon is seen both in green, blue green algae and red algae. Both of them are non-motile. Second, another statement. If you remember, while we were discussing about blue-green algae, we have used one statement where all blue-green algae are not blue-green in color. Trichodesmium erythrum, if you remember, that was the example. That was a red-colored blue-green algae. Similarly, the same statement, all red algae are not red in color and we have certain exceptions. Right? So, hey, Batrachospermum, we'll be talking about it. Next is again from red algae, what is important? The pigment, right? So what's the basic key as a phycoerythrin. Next is obviously the phycocolloid that is agar-agar obtained from Chelidium and Gracilaria. Hekini point are important. Etia kothato hol je talking about this red algae, just look into the page. Ako extra point ketaman likim. Red algae are considered as the most ancient algae. Most advanced ki green algae, most ancient ki red algae. Next, at a point likhasun, just red algae heading kori pelai. Point eta likha. They are the deepest algae. They are the deepest algae. Points about red algae. Next point, there is no motile stage. Very, very important. Already given there in your PDF. They are found mainly in the marine water with greater concentration in the warmer areas. So, gorom jinkini, pani kini jinkini gorom hoy, that besike pai. But you have certain exceptions also. Exception important. Batrachospermum is important because it is a freshwater red algae. Normally, red algae hoy, marine. So, you have to remember the word marine. But freshwater forms like Batrachospermum. Second example is our land form. Normally, red algae could fight in the water bodies, but we have one example that is called as porphyridin, which is a red algae that is terrestrial. So, hegita ami janim, especially Batrachospermum upor question ahi jay. Next is The cell wall of red algae is made up of cellulose, pectin, and obviously phycocolloids, as we have said. In certain types of red algae, you see the presence of calcium carbonate also. So, need to point to mono tracheema, and because of the calcium carbonate, they are, or their thallus or their plant body becomes stony. যদি cell wall calcium carbonate থাকে তাহলে cell wall hard হয়ে যাব, and so we have used the word called as stony, right? They are founded calcium carbonate থাকা red algae, they are found in limestones and coral reef. What is a coral reef? Reef মানে কি? A mountain-like structure, right? A lot of corals staying together, they form like a huge, or they are found abundantly in one specific area. They form a mountain-like structure. That is what is called as coral reef. And I think we understand what a coral is. It's a underwater animal, right? So coral reef bilakot, one type of a red algae that is present, right? Those red algae examples likha ase corallina. Not very important. Iman important nohoy, khali coral reef word to mon rakhiba, calcium carbonate and corallina. Duta example diya ase, corallina mon rakhiba. Talking about the pigments, again we have to see it from the chart. We have already discussed chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B thakibo. Okay. When you are talking about the pigments of red algae, moi jeneke koisu no, blue green algae and red algae will have many similar points. We have talked about certain type of phycobilins in case of blue green algae. Tamane chlorophyll thakibo tenekwa nohoy. Blue green algae kisuman aru pigments asile, he pigments nik ami ki boli koisilo, phycobilins boli koisilo. So phycobilins are also present in red algae. But the point is, the name of the phycobilins. In case of blue-green algae, we have used certain words called as C-phycoerythrin, C-phycocyanin, chlorophycin, phycoerythrin, chlorophycin, phycoerythrin, phycocyanin, etc. Yate ami ki use korisu? In case of red algae also, phycobilins would be present. What is phycobilin? Photosynthetic pigments. Types of phycobilins are phycocyanin, are phycoerythrin, etc. Right? Yate ami R alphabet to use korisu to indicate that we are talking about phycobilin of red algae. Tate ami C word to use korisu just to understand that that belongs to blue-green algae. Next is the color of red algae always changes according to the depth. That is called body of phenomenon. We have already said. Red algae at the surface will be blue. At the bottom of the sea, it will be red. Next point is, red algae is not always red in color, as we have already discussed, right? Pectospermum is a blue colored red algae. Phycocolloids guitar naam janibo lagibo, agar, carrageenan, etc. Right? Jeneke ami tate alginic acid we have talked about. Talking about reproduction, all the three types of reproduction would be seen: the vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Vegetative, obviously fragmentation we talk about. Asexual is by different type of spores. Sexual, oogamous type. Oogamous type hole sabotse advanced type of sexual reproduction. And talking about oogamous type, you have the female sex organ that is called as carpogonium, and the male sex organ that is called as spermatium. That is also called as enteridium. Normally, when we talk about sex organ, we talk about enteridium and archegonium. But if you remember, ami first class ote koisilu je archegonium is absent in case of algae. Instead of archegonium, the female sex organ, in case of algae, it is called as, especially in case of red algae, it is called as carpogonium. Carpogonium is a flask-shaped structure. Next, life cycle or point gita ako moi jeneke koisu, against this example life cycle bu likhi loba. Polysiphonia, diplobiontic or diplontic, eketai bostu. Diplobiontic or diplontic is the same thing. Life cycle of Pectospermum or red algae is haplobiontic or haplontic. Economic importance of red algae. Question ahe, give an example of an edible red algae. Give an example of an edible green algae. Green algae, we have chlorella, and in case of red algae, we have porphyra. Next question agar is obtained from. Agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Very, very commonly asked question. right? It is used for medium use for it, right? Also used for the manufacture of jams and jellies, ice creams, etc. The third is Chondrus crispus, very important, right? Chondrus crispus is also called as Irish moss. This word is very important. Why? Because whenever we talk about moss, we know that moss is an example of a bryophyte. হয় নে নহয়? Moss কিহৰ example? Bryophyte example. কিন্তু এটোৰ নাম কি চোৱাচোন? Irish moss. Irish moss is not a bryophyte. It is a algae, and so the question is asked about Irish moss. Question ahe, Irish moss is a bryophyte, ne pteridophyte, ne algae, belongs to which kingdom? Or it belongs to which group of plants? It belongs to algae. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Next is another.
obtain করা হয় আপনি কি বলি কইছিলে
তাত লিখা আছে চোন economic importance point number 2. Gelidium and Gracilaria. Agar phycocolloid is obtained.
yes ma'am পাইছো ma'am
Okay. Okay. So Chondrus crispus are important. Chondrus crispus or carrageenan phycocolloid is obtained. Even that is a question, right? Agar obtained from, carrageenan obtained from. Chondrus crispus is also called as Irish moss. Irish moss, bryophyte ne algae, algae. Right. And then we have carrageenan economic importance. Next, economic importance হৈ গ'ল. Certain points extra Harviela এইখিনি নিজে পঢ়িবা এইখিনি একো ইমান বুজাব লগা নাই. Okay, come to the points page. যোনটো পেজত points লিখা আছে, first one কি লিখা আছে Harviela. It's a parasitic colored red algae. Second point যোনটো লিখা আছে Funori is a blue obtained from. প্ল্যান্টডালৰ নামটো ভুলকে দিয়া আছে. Please correct the spelling. Point number 2. Right? Obtained from ইমান question আহা নাই কিন্তু what is this এটো question আহিছে. Correct কৰিছা spellingটো? Yes or no?
yes ma'am
Okay. So this is all about the different algae. The last portion that we have to discuss is something called as life cycle. Life cycle part 2 কেতিয়াবা লাগে বুলি কয় syllabus কেতিয়াবা নালাগে বুলি কয়. ঠিক আছে, not very important. So life cycle দুটা, এটা হল Chlamydomonas, এটা হল Spirogyra. Chlamydomonas life cycle চোৱা. It is if you are talking about the organism, microscopic, eukaryotic, unicellular, pyriform. What is pyriform? Pear shaped, right? So Chlamydomonas কথা কৈছে, pear shaped organelle, it is called as pyriform. ঠিক আছে, biflagellate green algae. It is found both in stationary and বুজি পাইছো. Just এবাৰ reading কৰিবা. সেই পেজখনত এক্সট্ৰা পেজখনত আকৌ দুটা বস্তু লিখিব লাগিব. Chlamydomonas বুলি লিখাচোন. First diagram to এটা rough diagram আঁকিব লাগিব. right? আৰু এটা point. Chlamydomonas বিলাকে juice pores form কৰে. What is the number of juice pores produced? সেইটোৰ ওপৰত question আহে. Please write fast. Number screenshot of the law.
Ma'am, left side of the কি লিখিছে?
কোনটো? Nucleus flagella. So in case of Chlamydomonas, question about who forms the juice pores? We know in case of Chlamydomonas, it is a motile form that reproduction with the help of juice pores for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is also seen. We have discussed it in the last class. Asexual reproduction, obviously, juice pores form. Juice pores can form. The cytoplasm contracts for it like 2 to 16 fragments of breakdown and each fragment will end up into a juice pore. Please take a screenshot. There's no point of writing. Okay. Next is Spirogyra. Spirogyra. What is the point that is important is, please look into the Spirogyra portion. Spirogyra prothom kini to bujhi paba. Spirogyra information ka bostu swasan. The single cell consists of 1 to 16. কিমানটা ক্লোৰোপ্লাস্ট থাকে এটোৰ ওপৰত question আহিছে. Second point is, first point about Spirogyra. Second point is, chloroplast has a linear row of pyrenoids. তাৰমানে বহুত কেইটা pyrenoids থাকে. So এইটো তা হল তোমাৰ Spirogyra diagram we have already written. Next, Spirogyra praki important, the filamentous water important, right? Fresh water forms important. They are also called as pond scum or summer alga or princess hair. Right? Filamentous form kenuka dhoroner chloroplast thakibo, spiral chloroplast thakibo, aru each and every chloroplast, how many chloroplasts? 1 to 16, and each and every chloroplast will have pyrenoids. Eta pyrenoid बहुत basic, almost a linear row of pyrenoids. And by linear row of pyrenoids, what we remember? The chloroplast is spiral, no? Something like this. So, enike pyrenoids fully. And what is a pyrenoid? It is a storage body. What does it store? It stores proteins as well as starch. Chlamydomonas portion to hoise niki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, talking about Spirogyra. Spirogyra last portion too. So reproduction dia ase. Vegetative reproduction is present, asexual with the help of different types of spores, and sexual reproduction generally. Right. So sexual reproduction keneke hoy? Question ahe, sexual reproduction in Spirogyra occurs by important. Right. So Spirogyra sexual reproduction keneke hoy? At a process, that process is conjugation. Now, how many types of conjugation? They show two different types of conjugation. Ekini portion iman important nohoy. Right. Now, talking about stellariform conjugation or lateral conjugation. Okay, yate kotha hola. Important kuntu okol etu. Right. So conjugation process is the most important type of process by which the Spirogyra undergoes sexual reproduction. Next, duta type. Eta kami ki koisu spiral conjugation, eta koisu ami lateral conjugation. What is the basic difference? When two filaments of Spirogyra are associated with sexual reproduction, tamane adult filament par eta gamete ahibo, eta filament par gamete ahibo, tahate fuse kobo. Duta filament involved, that is called as stellariform. Only one filament tare eta cell gamete form kori fuse kobo, that is called as lateral. Just to have a rough idea. Talking about stellariform, ki mon rakhin two filaments lagibo aru yate one filament hobo. We are talking about Spirogyra. Spirogyra kenekwa hoy? They are filamentous, no? So suppose this is one filament and this is another filament of Spirogyra. Right? So what they do is, since they have to undergo sexual reproduction, then obviously they have to form gametes. And when we talk about gametes, we use the word male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete kune produce kore male plant hai, or female gamete from the female body. In case of Spirogyra, we cannot be using sentences like or words like male Spirogyra, female Spirogyra boli ami word use koribo nwaru. Male or female word to ami ketia use koru jetia specific tahator male organ or female organ ba distinct morphological difference thake tetia he ami male or female words to use koribo paru. Generally, in case of lower organisms, we cannot be using the word male this and male female that. Right? So I think you understood. Male female use koribo lagile specific morphological structures the difference thakib লাগিব. Since this filament is exactly the same as this filament, kuntuk male will dhoriba, kuntuk no female will dhoriba. So in this case, what happens? First, let's see conjugation ki hoy. The adult filament or adult filament sexual reproduction hobo. Any cell can behave as a gamete. Nije gamete form koribo paribo. For example, if you are talking about this cell, maybe this is filament 1. A cell to ki form korile gamete form korile. Ute contents kini. Right. Similarly, this filament doro. It took 1 second to know. Second later. So second to ki korile gamete form korile. Karon tahate ekku jehetu sex organ teneke specific na thake, the cell entirely converts into a gamete. Now what they do, this gamete and this gamete, the cell is converted into the gamete and the gamete needs to fuse and then only sexual reproduction will take place. Now tahate ki kore, at the time of fusion ekhon eneke conjugating wall conjugating link ekhon form kore. It's almost like a bridge, right? So a bridge khonor through a contains kini, if it goes this way and fuses with this one, understand ekhini gamete goi ba ekhini content goi yar logot jodi fuse kore ei content kini ami male boli kom ar jar logot fuse korise tak ami female boli kom. Since it is a lower form, এইটো ইয়ালে যাব পাৰে বা এইটো ইয়ালে যাইব পাৰে. Means what? Zygote to adult filament to form কৰিব পাৰে, zygote to adult filament to form কৰিব পাৰে. Is the point understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, again, this cell can also fuse with this. If this cell will fuse with this, then again they will form a bridge or a tube, right? That contains will, form a thickened structure. আৰু তাৰপিছত fuse কৰিব এটা জাইগোট ক'ত fuse কৰিব ইয়াতে যদি fuse কৰে তেতিয়াহলে বা জাইগোট যদি ইয়াত form কৰে this cell would be considered as a female or জাইগোট যদি এইটো cell form কৰে this would be considered as a female. Now the next point, scalariform meaning কি leather like structure. Jehetu at the time of sexual reproduction they form this bridge and they look almost like a leather. So this type of a conjugation is called as scalariform conjugation. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Spirogyra sexual reproduction keneke kore conjugation. Conjugation kiman type scalariform aru lateral. Scalariform conjugation or karone how many filaments are required? 2 filaments. Both the filaments or the cells of the filaments will fuse, right? Who will behave as a male, who will behave as a female depends on which content goes to which filament, right? So where exactly will the zygote be formed? Zygote can form in this filament, it can be formed in this filament, and sometimes it can be formed in the middle portion also, conjugating tube dalor majoto duita content ahi gol tetiahole zygote to code form koribo majot. So jedi enekwa hoy tak ami ki boli kom scalariform and the filament looks like a leather and so we are using the word scalariform. Next we have lateral. In case of lateral conjugation, only one filament is involved. Amane okol adult Spirogyra sexual reproduction is related. So we have this filamentous forms, right? So at the time of sexual reproduction, what they will do is, to suppose কাৰণ দুটা cell to fuse কৰিবই লাগিব ন zygote form কৰিব লাগিলে sexual reproduction যদি হ'ব লাগে zygote form কৰিব লাগিব zygote যদি form কৰিব লাগে one has to behave as a male and the other has to behave as a female. So in this case suppose this one the entire content, right, what did it do? It will take first it will become a pear shaped structure এনেকুৱা এটা pointed structure এটা form কৰিব তাৰ গোটেই contents খিনি second cell tour wall খন pierce কৰি পেলাই সোমাই আহিব and then they will fuse with this. Is the point understood? In case of lateral only one filament is involved. Any cell can fuse with any cell, right? If this cell will fuse with this, the contents will take a pear shaped structure or it will have a pointed edge. And with this pointed edge, it will penetrate to the second cell and fuse together and ultimately form the zygote. If this type of a process is seen, it is called as lateral conjugation. If this type of a process is seen, it is called as scalariform conjugation. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, buji paisane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about the first group, that is algae. আমি plant kingdom কৰি আছো algae portion of যিমান খিনি পঢ়িব লাগিছিল green, brown and red, we have talked about the different points, right? Now what is important? All the important points মই লিখাই দিছো. Go home, what you do? PDF to চাবা, PDF ৰ লগত আজি যোনটো ভিডিও লেকচাৰ আপলোড কৰিম সেইটো চাবা, ঠিক আছে? So আজি দুটা ভিডিও যাব, ভিডিও কি যাব? Lecture 2, lecture 1, part 1, part 2 you have already received. Today you are going to receive lecture 2, part 1, part 2, lecture 3, part 1, part 2. Did you understand? আজি কেইটা lecture পাবা? Lecture 2 পাবা, lecture 3 পাবা. দুইটা lecture দুটা part আছে, right? And lecture 3, second part has certain questions. বুজি পাইছানে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please listen to it carefully, okay? Today you will receive 2 lectures, lecture number 2 and lecture number 3. Lecture number 2, maybe I think it's part 1, part 2, and lecture number 3 is also part 1, part 2. In the part 2 lecture of lecture 3, এটা পার্টত দেখিবা যে কিছুমান questions আছে সেই questions খিনি তোমালোকে কপিত নোট ডাউন কৰি you have to write it down. The questions we have not discussed in the class today. right? Lecture 3 part 2 half loke ekhini ase. After that we have a collection of questions in the lecture itself. Please write down the questions in the copy. Aru jodi kiba doubts thake mok next class hole loi aniba. Is it understood? So আজি video lecture saboi lagibo. ঠিক আছে video lecture kita saboi lagibo. Key point miss hoise saba. Halke video lecture kita saba. Question answers jun kita video lecture dia ase ekini likhi loba. Right? And in the next class we will start with the next group, that is bryophytes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Another question. Diluted classification assignment ki hol? Kono mok questions se puthwa nai. I have asked you all to send the doubts, right? Are you doing it or you have not started?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Doing? Okay. Then I come kora. Aji ki hoy Tuesday, no? Next Tuesday we are going to discuss the assignment. Okay? So you get another 1 week. Right? So please collect your doubts, write it in a paper and give it to me. Paper khonot ki likhiba? Suppose NCERT at your fingertips. Question number this. Tumar doubt. Write your name also. Catalyst assignment. Question number this. Aru master the NCERT. Question number this. Whatever you did not understand, respective students, please send your doubts. And on next Tuesday, we are going to discuss. Gutei tinikhon kitab ready kori thoi diba. Catalyst assignment, fingertips, or master the NCERT. Okay? Next class, we are going to do bryophytes. Next week, we'll discuss the assignments. Is everything clear? Go through it for you to discuss the classwork.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, thank you. So please go through the LG portion and see whether you have understood it clearly or not. Thank you for today.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, please ask. Yeah.
ma'am, carpogonian is present, ma'am, in algae, ma'am, all kinds of algae like brown, red also, or only in red algae?
Specifically, that name is given for red algae.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In general, if you are talking about algae in general, তাহলে আমি Ubonium বলি কই থই দিই।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome. Any more questions? Okay, thank you. So I'll request you again to go through the video lecture. Okay. Thank you.